it is time to set up the arrows. So we can go back to Rhino, annotation, and there you see it, arrow settings. I'm going to place it down here. Now, if you hover, it says arrow 1 and arrow 2. Right click and extract the parameter. There you go. In my exercise, I want to have the same icon on both ends. So I'm going to connect this one over here. Now, if you right click, you have the possibility to select from this list, let's say a dot, and the dot will tell arrow 1 and arrow 2 to set the arrow settings, so we can select this one and connect it over here. There you go. It's as simple as that. So if you want, for example, a short triangle, there. If you want a long triangle, a rectangle, maybe this one. I could also set the size. So double click on the canvas. Let's set it from 1 to 10.0. And this is going to be 1. And notice that you could increase or decrease the size of those arrows. So, annotation for the arrows is selected from here.